Hi everyone, it's me Sanchari and welcome back to my channel Simply Sanchari. Hope you all are doing well. Presenting my Nykaa's Hot Pink Sale haul. I have picked new makeup, skincare and some beauty tools. So if you guys are interested, then please stay tuned till the end of this video. So the first product is this new Inside Cosmetics Hydra Blur Primer, and they say it is their gripping primer, which I recently picked up from Nykaa's Hot Pink sale at 10% off. It retails for rupees 320 and you get 45 ml of quantity. That's how the inner packaging looks like. It comes in an airless tube and with a pump package, and this primer is infused with niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, vitamin B5, aloe vera and chamomile extract. I already did an in-depth review giving you the wear test, how it performed on my skin. So if you're interested, please check the link in the description box. Next, I picked up two lipstick from new Nykaa's Matte to Last lipstick range. They have launched their bullet lipstick. Earlier, they had their liquid lipstick, and I picked up two shades for my brown skin. And that's how the inner packaging looks like, you guys. It comes in a very beautiful metallic pale champagne gold packaging. Really loved it. And the two shade I picked up for myself is Coffee Mousse. Let me just give you a swatch. I also did a very mini review on this, and it's a very beautiful, warm, rusty brown shade with some terracotta hues to it. Perfect for brown skin. I have it on my lips today. A very beautiful shade, you guys. And the next one is this shade Maharani. So that's how it looks like, and it is again a very gorgeous classic red, which is neutral in undertone. It is not too warm or not too cool, right in between, and this is a perfect shade for brown skin or any skin tone, and you can wear this for upcoming events, festivals and holidays. Next, I picked up this Mars Cinemagic Lip Gloss. This they have repackaged and reformulated. I picked up the shade Leila for my brown skin. That's how the inner packaging looks like. It's stunning and it is color coordinated to the inner shade that you get. Let me just give you a swatch. I really love the shade on my brown skin. I don't even need a lip liner, but if I want to enhance the color more, I would like to pair it with a lip liner. Any brown lip liner work with this kind of shade, and that's how the shade looks on me. Next, I picked up this new blush from L'Oreal, and it is their Lumi blush. I picked up the shade Worth It Medium. Let me just give you a swatch. I haven't tried it out, so I will just try and swatch it for you guys. That's how the shade Worth It Medium looks on my brown skin, and it's a beautiful shade overall. Let me just try and blend it out. So after you blend it out, you have that beautiful golden sheen that you get. I picked up this blush at 10% off for just rupees 764. I know 764 is also a lot of amount, but if you are not planning to pick it up at the moment, you can wait for better discount. Next, I restocked on my favorite Tete Marks Fit makeup fixer. This is my third bottle, you guys. I am already using the one which has almost finished. So I thought this is the best time to restock on my favorites, because if I run out of this, I don't know when I will get a good discount, because this was already at a good discounted price for rupees 920. I tried to check Macaroons app for some coupons and everything, and even after all those coupons and discount, it came to rupees 920. So I thought Nykaa is the best option to pick this up, because I'll get the next day delivery. And yeah, I am really loving this makeup fixer. Next product is again from Inside Cosmetics, and they have launched their strobe cream. It comes in two shades, and this one retails for rupees 399, and you get 3 years of shelf life. That's how the metallic packaging looks like, and the shade I picked up for myself is Dewy Gold, and this is the inner packaging. Really love the packaging and the overall product and the formulation. I have even compared this to the MAC strobe cream. Next product is again from Inside Cosmetics, and they have launched some new lipstick range. Yes, there are a lot of Inside Cosmetics product in this haul, because I really love the brand and the quality of products they launch, and they have launched this time their ultra smooth lipstick. I picked up 3 shades for my brown skin. The review is already up on my channel, giving you the swatches on my bare skin and with makeup on. And that's how the inner packaging looks like. Stunning, isn't it? It comes in this beautiful geometrical shape like this, and it's gorgeous, you guys. I really love the packaging. It's something different from Inside Cosmetics end. So the three shades that I picked up for myself is the shade Eternity. Let me just give you a swatch one by one. That's how the shade looks like. It's a very deep neutral brown shade. The next one is the shade Breathtaking. That's how it looks like. It's a gorgeous mauve with little bit of plum and pinkish tone. And the next shade is the shade Believe. That's how it looks like. It's a classic rosy pink shade which looks perfect on brown skin. If you use a lip liner with this, it is going to take this lipstick color to the next level. All the three shades are my favorite. Next, I picked up two shades of new Inside Cosmetics Air Base Concealer. The one shade I picked up for me is number 5 Golden Sand. That's how it looks like. Let me just give you a swatch. That's the shade Golden Sand, and it's a perfect brightening shade for me. The packaging is an exact dupe to the Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer. I really don't like this kind of packaging because it's very messy. Look at the condition of my concealer, and just because I'm using it regularly every day for my makeup, I have almost finished this much. So you need little bit of quantity, but just because of the packaging you end up wasting a lot of product. And the next shade I picked up is the shade Orange Neutralizer, which looks something like this. I haven't tried it out yet. You can see it's completely fresh. I am going to do a mini review, share my first impression, how is the shade in itself, whether it color corrects and neutralizes all the blemishes on your skin or not. So please keep an eye on it. Next product is again from Inside Cosmetics, and they have launched their lip crayons. I picked up 3 shades again for my brown skin, and the review is going to be there very soon. Please keep an eye on it. So here is the swatch of the shade Toasted Mauve. Gorgeous. And the next one is the shade number 5 Bourbon. Again, a gorgeous brown which has some reddish tone to it, and it looks beautiful, you guys. And the next one, and my favorite shade out of these 3, is the shade Valentine, which is this beautiful red with little bit of raspberry hue to it. Now these lipstick formulation, I would say, is little bit on the drier side because it is matte, so it's not very comfortable. It tugs and pull little bit just because of the stiff formula that you get. I have even compared it to the Sugar lipstick in my review, so please check that video out. Next, I picked up Swiss Beauty Select Focus FX Talc Free Translucent Loose Powder. This was suggested to me by one of my viewer, and she said why no one is talking about this gorgeous powder. I think you should try it out and see for yourself how good the formulation is. That's how the powder looks like. It's completely white, but despite of all that, it does not give me any gray cast, no flashback whatsoever, and on top of that, it gives you a very beautiful soft focus matte finish, and it does not feel drying, cakey, and it is absolutely lightweight, does not contain any shimmer particles whatsoever. That's how the shade looks on me, and you can see it's completely invisible. It just melted into my skin. Finally, I picked up the Maybelline Sun Kisser blush. This is in the shade Berry Brunch. That's how the shade looks like. It's a gorgeous plum tone blush which has a lot of purple tones in it, little bit of mauve in it, and it looks very pigmented inside the bottle, but this shade is so natural. Once you try and layer it out, it's easily buildable. It does not turn patchy or streaky, and it does not even pick your base makeup. I really love how nicely it blends into the skin without drying out too soon, and it gives you a very beautiful soft matte kind of finish without any sheen or without any radiance. Next, I picked up this Colourpop Super Shock eyeshadow in the shade Ritz. This I picked up before Nykaa's Hot Pink sale because I saw it on 50% discount. So it was a steal deal, you guys. And now Colourpop is running buy one get one on Nykaa's Hot Pink sale. That's how the shade looks like. I haven't tried it out, but I did try the other Super Shock eyeshadows from Colourpop in the past when it was not even launched in India. I used to get it straight from their official website from US, and that's how I tried all of their shade. That's how the shade Ritz looks like. I think it's going to be a beautiful topper, and it has that sparkly effect which looks stunning when the light hits. Next, I picked up my favorite brow pencil from Mars. It is their Brow Better Eyebrow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. A gorgeous pencil, you guys. It's lightly pigmented and it fills your sparse brows area very nicely, and it is very affordable. Under rupees 70 you can get it. It is very good quality. If you're looking out for a good brow pencil under budget as a beginner or as a makeup junkie, you can try the Mars one. Next, I picked up this new PAC T02 foundation buffing brush. I did not check it out how it looks like. Let me just also see, because I have seen it has got a T shape, and that's what intrigued me to get this brush. The packaging, oh my god, it's so beautiful, and that's how it looks like. I have seen many people comparing it to the hourglass packaging. It has a good weight to it, and it feels luxury in your hand. Bristles are really soft, very smooth. I hope it gets the job done. Yeah, a review is coming up very soon. Please stay tuned. Next, I bought this Mars Artist Arsenal brush. This is their powder brush. Now, that's how it looks like. I know you all must have seen it by now. Oh my god, the bristles are so soft and so smooth. I really love this tapered shape going on. It's perfect to fit under the corners of your eyes, and it's, I think, going to get in all the nooks and corners. I can even use this to, bronze up my skin and do a little bit of blush if I want to use it as a multi-purpose brush. If I'm traveling, I don't want to carry a lot of brush with me, I think these brushes are going to be really handy. Next, I picked up this Bungalow Beauty Triangular Powder Puff. So it was on great price, you guys, for just rupees 149, and you get a set of two. It's really soft, velvety, squishy, and I think it is going to fit under my eyes. I can bake with it, powder my entire face with it. Now, I received few gifts from Nykaa after all these purchases, so let me show you one by one. The first one is this Nykaa eye color palette in the variant 04. It is a 4-pan eyeshadow palette, and I really love the shade. It's a beautiful neutral tone shade. You get 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. So yeah, it's your perfect everyday shade that you can carry from day to night. Next, I got this mini size of this Lakme Sun Expert Dry Matte Fluid Sunscreen, which has SPF 50 with 4 times plus. This is how the packaging looks like. Oh, it's completely sealed. So maybe this is for someone with oily skin type, because I generally avoid dry touch sunscreen on my face because I don't like that matte kind of feel at all. So I did not open the seal. Maybe I'll try and use it and let you guys know whether it worked for me or it didn't. Next, I got this Lancome Youth Activating Concentrate. So this is a mini size, or you can say a trial size again. I hope it's not sealed. No, it's not sealed. So, oh, it's very liquidy. Now, I don't know the use of this serum. Why does it feel so warm and giving me that tingling, burning kind of? It has some weird scent to it. I don't know what is the use of this. If anyone knows, please let me know down in the comment section. Also, I'll try and check the Nykaa app to know more about this product so that I can use it in future and let you guys know what this product is all about. Next and the last gift that I got from Nykaa, which completely shook me and my angry mode activated. I even gave a call back to Nykaa talking about this, and they were distributing some dummy gifts. After opening my package, I saw this. This is from Godrej, their Kera Care Keratin Smooth Repair Shampoo, and it is a 60 ml quantity that you get. Now, it is a good thing they have given this. The product has already expired on July 2024. You can see the expiry. I don't find it as a gift. Are we a dumping ground that you are dumping all useless expired products to us? I don't see it. I did not like it. I don't have words to express you guys how I am feeling about this product. If you want to give us a gift, give something which is useful, not something which you really dump to a customer, which they are not even going to use, and they are eventually going to trash it. If we can spend tons of money buying so many things, then of course we don't deserve such things from them. Next and the last product of this haul is a skincare from Conscious Chemist. I bought 4 of their milky toners, from their official website because they were running buy to get two, and this was a restock. It comes in this kind of 100 ml quantity, and it is infused with milk protein and niacinamide, and it locks in the hydration and provides moisturization, which I totally agree, because when they had launched this in summer, I had got it just to use and see how it reacted on my skin, and oh my god, I really love the texture of this toner because it's absolutely lightweight, hydrating, it nourishes and moisturizes my skin. When I used it in summer, I did not have a need to go with an extra layer of moisturization because it moisturized, plumped, and gave me that radiant looking skin, which looked very healthy, and my skin also loved the feel of this toner. Now I really don't appreciate the fragrance they have incorporated because it is a milky toner and they gave some minty fragrance, which is a very bad combination according to me. Either the brand should make it completely fragrance free or they should change the fragrance. So if you are looking out for a good milky toner under budget, you can try the Conscious Chemist one. It's perfect for dry skin, combination skin, even for oily skin types. And with my Conscious Chemist order, I got this hair scalp massager. That's how it looks like. I got black in color, which is already there in my bathroom. I am using it. And the last gift I got from Conscious Chemist is this set of 5 mini makeup sponges. That's how it looks like. Really love the color. It feels little hard when I hold it, but I hope after it gets wet or damp, it will grow in the size and it will get much softer and squishier. Let's see, I haven't tried it out. Alright you guys, it's a wrap for today. Hope you found the content helpful and informative, and if you did, I think you might also like these. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button. You can also follow me on my social handles, whose link I have mentioned it in the description box. Please come and say hi, and I will see you soon with my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.